My boys have started playing the Wii every day, and so I've been going through AA batteries really quick, so I decided to check out this docking station. It's really cool. So it comes with the 4 battery pack, so you can use it with up to 4 Wiimotes. And obviously I like it for the reason that it's rechargeable, so I'm not replacing AA batteries all the time. It's always fully charged when we go to use it. But another thing I really like about this is it kind of forces my boys to actually put the Wiimotes away, so we haven't been losing them nearly as much because there's only one place to put the Wiimotes now, and that's in the docking station. So that's kind of an unexpected benefit of this docking station. Here's what you get out of the box. You've got your main docking station with a USB cable that you'll use to plug in for power, and then you've got your 4 batteries. Now these are batteries connected to the back covers, so you will have these white back covers, which doesn't quite match if you have black or other color Wiimotes, but let's see how it looks. And that looks alright. Really easy to pop into place. Let's see if this will work with the straps. Yeah, and it looks like it does work with the strap still on. When it is plugged into power, you've got these blue LEDs on the base to indicate that it has power, and then these green LEDs light up when nothing is on it. Once you dock the Wiimote, this light turns red to indicate that it is not yet fully charged, and when it is fully charged, then it will turn green. This has been great. It's really easy to set up. It works just as it is supposed to. If you play the Wii a lot and you don't like replacing AA batteries all the time, this is a fantastic way to go. Thanks for watching.